Morning everybody, we're here. It's about 7:30. The sun's been up for about an hour and 73 degrees water temperature. We got grass carp for bait today. Got chunks about that big. We're gonna see how it goes. A little bit downsized what I've been throwing, but stick with us. Got my best net girl, trolling motor driver Tinker Sue with me. Hopefully she'll catch a fish or two today. See you in a minute. What a slam! We on! We on! There we go! He hit it like he was serious. He don't feel real serious. Oh, he done showed me the top of the water. That's a nice one. Pretty blue catfish. Them boys done fished all night. We done caused me fish I have already. We got 2 lines of them. You're not gonna make a mess of my fishing lines today. Where's that girl at? Where's that girl at? I got it. I got it. Alright guys, first fish of the day. Nice little eater. So we got done. I can't get her better than that. Let's keep going. Got another hit. Every time we catch a fish I get hit. And I wonder why the line's tangled up. That was nice eating blue. We on today, man. That's 3. Let's see, we did the intro about 15 minutes ago. We catching a fish every 5 minutes now. Hookup rate is 100%. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. We in 15 foot of water. Sorry, you didn't get the tape down. Y'all might have got it. While I was back here fumbling. Little female. Here we go. All right, man. Hate to keep saying it. There's another one. Grass carp. My new bait, but it's hard to get because I don't get about 1 or 2 grass carps a year. So, hey man, we're gonna catch that big one here in a few minutes. Putting that girl to work. I got that right there. All right. Hooked up on number 4. Destined for a big one today. Got him on this alpha board. Mind this other line. Nope, he's in it. Oh, he's in that line. Okay. No wonder it feels so heavy. I'm pulling in 3 rigs. Bless my heart. He's a peckerhead. A potato chip. You stabbed me in the foot, man. Little bit of blue catfish. I got to hold him up real close so you can see him. See there? Good hit right there. We're going to tighten our game up a little bit. He's pulling on in though. We are specializing in small fish today. Pull a little bit. Pull a little bit for a little fella. How about that fish? How about that fish? Oh, honey. Oh, Lord. They're doing a catch and release right there. I don't like dropping stuff on the floor. Amateur hour. That little blue, that's number 6, and it's 8:20, so an hour, 6 of them. I'll take it every day. Oh Lord!
You want to do anything up here?
I got 2 fish on.
You want me to reel something?
I may have lost this one. There's one on that one over there.
You want me to get it?
Yeah. Yeah.
In my cute outfit.
Come on, girl. I don't know if this one's on there or not. You got a big one, don't you? This thing ain't come on. Oh yeah, you muscling him up. Camera turned a little bit. Yeah, I'm still on. Tika's on. Maybe somebody's got one big enough to net. I got a little bitty one. What you get? All right, back up and I'll unhook your thing for you. There you go. Get after it, girl. Get after it. Look at that maneuver. There we go. What's Tika got? Step in the center, sure. Right there. And get you on camera catching that fish. All right, walk to the front. Walk toward the motor a little bit. There you go. How big is he? He's a pretty good looking fish, she says.
We don't need a net.
We do not need a net. You're right. Ooh, yeah, go right there. That's good. All right, back up and I'll get you. And then hit a double. Woke up Tika from a nap. She's a pretty good girl. Get up early as she does. Go with me. I think you're on the wrong one. There, sweetie.
Yeah.
I get quiet. Alright, show them off the camera. Look at you, right here. I got you. Another one. We done got the box full of eaters. We're gonna start throwing them back. What do you think, baby? Right here. Love you. All right, folks, we're pulling out. We started about 7:20 this morning, and it's about 12:30 now. Bites done slowed down. The winds done picked up. We put 13 eaters in the boat. And take a Sue. You wanna tell them anything? She don't want to tell y'all nothing. So anyway, thank y'all for coming fishing with us today. Appreciate this, Shannon. Hey, we had a good day fishing. Put 13 in the boat. I kept a bunch for to give away and give to family and friends. So we're gonna clean a few and eat some tonight. This is a nice one right here. Let's see if we can't make him look good. Put him in the grease. Finn get me right there. Come on, Finn. There we go. Look there, amateur child right here. The key to this is you want to get this thing close and flat to the table. I don't want that red meat, the silver meat. Almost made it all the way through. There we go. Goes in the barrel. Clean this up a little bit. I don't want that red meat right there. That dog wants it. Ow, dog! That dog got me. All right, I'm gonna take my regular fillet knife, cut up some nice strips. This bloodline right here. I'm gonna cut this at a V. At a V. I ain't saying it's bad. You put it in grease, put some hot sauce on it, you never know what's there, but I don't want it. Dog June does. Yeah, Dog June does. They gonna make some nice fillets. Look here, I'm gonna wash them. I wash them fillets several times. I soak them and rinse them, soak them and rinse, soak them and rinse them. Any blood, get them good and clean. Look at there. That's one side of that catfish right there. That's enough for a young and eat any day. So we're gonna do the other side and see if we can't hook us up some dinner. All right, guys, we got our fish cleaned up, rinsed good, and patted dry with some paper towels. Look at there. That's some pretty stuff. Cut it up kind of small. I'm gonna put my binder on here. A little mustard will work. Buttermilk, eggs, whatever you got. Mustard is quick, and I promise you will not taste any mustard, but it will bind this fish, and it don't take much. Don't take much at all. Look at there. Look at there. You can let that soak for 20 minutes. Wipe my hands off, then we go start laying right in here. So we did that right there. Shaked it up in there. Shake it off before you put it in the grease. Look at that bad boy right there. We ready, folks? We got it ready. We got a grease hot. Got 325, 340. We'll shake her off a little bit. We'll stop dropping them in that grease, man. I like this peanut oil. It's the way I like to do it. If I'm gonna eat them. And like I said, most of them go free, but we done caught a bunch of channel casts today. And look at there. They frying up. Good deal. Look at that right there. We're gonna fry up us about 10 more pieces. We're gonna be ready to make a taco. Come on. All right, we caught the fish. We done fried them up. We done cleaned them. Let's go for it. Dog baby Tika Sue done got us these tortillas ready. And some on in here. We're gonna break us up a little bit of catfish, put on there. We didn't have time today to make no fresh claw. We've been busy fishing. And we grow these jalapenos. That's cowboy candy. And I like a little bit of sweet on there. I ain't gonna show what it is. Yeah. I like a little sweet on there. I'm gonna hit with just a little of this right here. A couple drops of that cocktail sauce. Look at my shirt. I'm a real captain now. And we got a driveway fish tacos. Let's give it a go. That's good. We did good, Tika. Let's go again. See y'all in the water. This is Santee. Thank you.